Fun with colors! Hi kids! Today let's learn counting. Let's start with number 1. Let's draw number 2. Now let's draw number 3. Next is number 4. And this is number 5. Let's draw number 6. This is number 7. Let's draw number 8. This is number 9. The last number is 0. The counting is ready. Let's color. Now, let's learn colors also. This is red color. Let's put green color in number 2. Do you know which color is this? Yes, it's yellow color. Do you know which number is this? Correct, it's number 4. Let's color it with pink color. Let's put blue color in number 5. Let's start coloring number 6 with orange color. Let's put